well. Rebecca?
Hi.
You met?
No.
Which brewery is doing that?
Ex-Handy, it's only Andrew but there is a bit of brewery.
Welcome to the pre-contract meeting for refurbishment works at the church house. Nice to see you all. So the HLF grant is paid to something called the Church House Management Committee, is it?
That's right.
So it all ties up. Okay. That's the employer then. We're self-evidently the architects.
Yeah.
The managing trustees at our church wardens are having a meeting with the DAC and the Archdeacon in St Andrews across the way, so
We've got some things to discuss under health and safety. I apologise that we're here. The client is known to us all now. The employer is the Church House Management
I would have
Committee.
thought
You
so.
will enter the contract on that basis.
Associate monitor.
We're an associate monitor,
You're
yes.
associate monitor. Right, are you going to give us some mobiles?
Well, probably use the mobile on site.
Tractor, we've got,
Bill Bloodwell.
and Arthur.
Arthur Britton.
Right, there we go. And
You're
you're
the directors of Down Brown.
right.
And the department director, but he's not.
Attached
There should be a dot between the David and the Yule on my email.
the contact sheets. And I've got addresses.